everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 884 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. So I just picked this up in my recent Ulta haul. I did a little haul video of everything I got, so I can have that video linked down below if you want to see all of the products I picked up from Ulta recently. And I'm really excited about this because I love a hydrating, plumping lip gloss, especially one with a beautiful color, which I picked this up in the shade number 4 Silk. But this comes in a bunch of different shades. It also comes in clear. It retails for $8.99 on the Ulta website, and I like this packaging. This is cute and kind of luxurious. This has hyaluronic acid in it, which I love hyaluronic acid. I have very dry lips, so I'm always looking for a hydrating, moisturizing lip product, and this seems like it will do the trick. I like that it has this big doe foot applicator. I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch before I apply it to my lips. Ooh, yes, I love this. I love like a nude pink tinted lip gloss. Putting it next to my lips right now, it kind of looks like my natural lip shade, but more enhanced. Ooh, and this does have a really nice scent to it. It kind of has that classic vanilla lip gloss scent, which I really like. I didn't really expect this to have a scent to it, so that's a nice surprise. So I'm really excited to see if this is going to actually lift my lips, because I would love that for my little lips. So let's go ahead and see how it does. Ooh, yes, love this shade. You can see just how much it matches my natural lip color. Such a nice texture. Feels so smooth, not at all sticky. Good pigment to this. Such gorgeous high shine. Ooh, that is so beautiful on the lips. I love the color. I love the shine. And I am getting a little bit of that kind of cooling, plumping sort of feeling. It's not a painful, stinging feeling, but just a little bit where it feels like it's doing some sort of plumping to my lips. It's definitely completely hydrating, and I absolutely love that aspect of it. I feel like maybe it's not like swelling my lips and plumping them up and really giving me like lifted pouty lips, but it definitely deeply hydrated and smoothed out my lips, so I really like that. Also, just having such high shine to it gives the illusion of more full, lifted, filled out lips. So even though I don't think my lips actually grew, they definitely look enhanced, and I love that. I love the feel of this. Zero stickiness, which is so nice. It's got, you know, all of your lip products in one. Your lip balm to be super hydrating, the lipstick for the color, and the lip gloss to add a lot of shine, but all in one quick, easy to use product. So I am very happy with it. I have just been loving a glossy colored lip gloss these days. So this is exactly what I love. And I've just been waiting a little bit to see if there would be some sort of plumping, lifting effect. And it really just completely hydrated my lips and really smoothed out all of those lines that I had. So I love the look of smoothed out lips, and it really, really does that. So this will definitely be a go-to lip gloss for me. I love this shade because it's very versatile. It can be casual, it can be glam, and it's just like a perfect nude lip in my opinion, since it is such a close match to my natural lip color. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. If you have tried this product out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.